ان کے گھر میں لکھی جاتی ہے. تو بہرحال آخر پر محترمہ امتیاز جاوید خاکمی صاحبہ کی ٹیم کا حصہ ہیں. آپ خود بھی چونکہ پی ایچ ڈی ڈاکٹر ہیں اور اسلام کے حوالے سے بہت ریسرچ ورک ہے اور ڈاکٹریٹ کی ڈگری بھی آپ نے لی ہوئی ہے. یہاں یہ جو جنگ نظر آ رہا ہے ان کی بچیوں میں جو یہ جس طرح گفتگو کر رہی ہیں اس کی ایک وجہ یہ ہے کہ ٹیچرز کی جو کمپیٹنسی کا لیول انہوں نے رکھا ہوا ہے وہ بہت اعلیٰ ہے. ایک اور ٹیچر ہیں جو ان بچیوں کی استاد ہیں محترمہ صدف فاطمہ خاکمی صاحبہ. آپ اسلامک موٹیویشنل سپیکر بھی ہیں, گولڈ میڈلسٹ بھی ہیں, ریسرچ اسکالر بھی ہیں اور سینئر لیکچرار ہیں بحریہ یونیورسٹی میں. آپ سے گزارش ہے کہ آپ تشریف لائیں اور آ کے جناب مخدوم مستوار قلندر کے سامنے اپنے خیالات کا اور اپنی محبتوں کا اظہار فرمائیں.
All praise be to Allah, who is the most merciful, and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who came with the message of love, patience, and unity for all humanity. My respectable, honorable, spiritual mentor, my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, as we talk about promoting our Peer Mustawar Qalandar's mission, let's also recognize that this mission must begin with our own hearts. This mission must start from ourselves. Often people hold grudges, form cliques, and focus on bringing each other down. This kind of negativity does not reflect our mission we are here to promote. So to purely spread the love, we need to start from our own heart, changing from within. So I would like to shed lights on few steps through which we can promote our mission. The first step would be purify our hearts. To begin this journey, we must first cultivate pure love for our spiritual master. This love, given with sincerity and humility, opens the door to a deeper closeness with the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and ultimately with Allah also. So we come to this path not for worldly gains, not for the materialistic things, but out of a desire only for Allah's love and His guidance. So loving our mentor with sincerity leads us towards the greater spiritual insights and prepares our heart as the vessels of the mission of love. So let's rid ourselves of personal grudges and bitterness, and let's move on and let's support. Instead of competing with each other, let's support and uplift one another. So in this way, we can make our mission more successful. So as our mission teaches us about to show love and peace, just as our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us, that we should forgive and we should let go of petty grievances. So in this way, if we do this, so our sincerity, when we purify our hearts, others will see our sincerity. And through this, we can, and our mission will shine through our actions. The second step would be change begin from our own home. Let's start to change, begin. The real change begins at home. Let's focus on your home places to make the love place, the peace place, and encourage each member of the family to join this mission, and encourage everyone and teaching children about the values of Islamic course and about this mission and the teachings of Islam and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So after this, we have to strengthen our connection with Allah. We have to make strong connection with our own Allah first. First of all, we have to be focused and we have to must work on our own spiritual discipline. Make a sincere effort to pray 5 times a day and engage in regular wazaif and supplications. Recite the Quran. The strength of our connection with Allah reflects in our character. And in this way, we can promote our mission not within the family but outside also, and we can gain the strength of our connection with Allah. And with this strength, we can promote our mission. And not only this, be mindful our changes as well. As we know that this age is basically the era of technology. And everyone is using the cell phones and everyone is using the social media. So we can see that social media and some individuals have created misperception about the teachers, Islamic teachers and peers. So we need to correct it. To eradicate this, we need to build ourselves strong, both online and offline. We make sure that our posts, our comments, our online content should be relevant to our Muhabbat mission, should be relevant to our Islamic course, should be relevant to our teachings and Islamic and examples of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And these are only the personal and very basic steps which we need to take it. But apart from it, there are many additional steps we have to take it, and I just would like to shed lights on those. The first one, we need to change, we need to work with community leaders and educators. Like we should reach out to the trusted community leaders, public figures. So when we raise voices, through their voices, we gain the credibility. And through these public speakers, we can make credibility, we can have the progress, and we can promote this mission. And after that, organize local gatherings, as we do, we know that. But organize local gatherings and open discussions more. So through these discussions, we can resolve everyone's queries regarding the misperception about the Muhabbat mission. Or in this way, we can overcome the barriers which are moving towards our path to this mission. And the next one is expand social outreach. As I have told earlier, that this age is the social media. So let's use this for the purposefully, let's use it for the positivity. So use social media to share real stories. Share your stories, that how your lives has been changed in this mission and by your mentor, and how he has changed your lives, how this mission has changed your lives. So in this way, we can promote our mission. And empower youth. As we know that we have the just now 2 students, 3 students have presented their presentation. So basically they are showing their youth. So in this way we can promote, we can boost our youths, we can give them opportunities to promote this mission by organizing seminars, workshops and mentoring sessions. So there are many steps from where we can do this. The last, I would like to say, promote education and awareness, like we are doing right now. So we need to promote educational campaigns through which we can promote our Muhabbat mission, in which we can tell them that what are the Islamic course, what are the basic teachings of Islam and our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and ultimately the teachings of our beloved spiritual master, our Pir Mustawar Qalandar. So in the last, I just to say that the mission of love is about more than the words. I cannot say. It is more about the words, more than words. It is about the actions. It is about the character. It is about the dedication. It is about the devotion. And when we devote love, pure love to our spiritual master, ultimately, Fanafil Sheikh ultimately leads to Fanafil Rasul and Fanafillah. And may Allah bless our efforts and make us ambassador of the Islam and light. In the last, I would like to end my speech on these verses of the poetry. Je tu vikya ishq bazaar vi nahi, je tu vikya ishq bazaar vi nahi, je tu chadya utte dar vi nahi, je tu chadya utte dar vi nahi, and a sasta sauda pyar vi nahi, ਐਡਾ ਸਸਤਾ ਸੌਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਐਡਾ ਸੌਖਾ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਐਡਾ ਸੌਖਾ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਕਈ ਜੰਗਲ ਗਾਣੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕਈ ਦੋਜ਼ਖ ਲੰਘਣੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਨ ਕੇ ਆਸ਼ਿਕ ਸੁਖ ਢੂੰਡੇ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਨ ਕੇ ਆਸ਼ਿਕ ਸੁਖ ਢੂੰਡੇ, ਉਹਦੀ ਕਿਸਮਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੀਦਾਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹਦੀ ਕਿਸਮਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੀਦਾਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਕੁਝ ਸਮਝ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਕੁਝ ਸਮਝ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਉਹ ਕਾਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਕਰੇ, ਉਹ ਕਾਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਕਰੇ। ਡਿਠ ਯਾਰ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਤਲਵਾਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਡਿਠ ਯਾਰ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਤਲਵਾਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਪਰ ਖਾਲੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵਾਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਪਰ ਖਾਲੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵਾਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਸਜਣਾ ਇਸ ਝੂਠੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੇ, ਸਜਣਾ ਇਸ ਝੂਠੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਕੀ ਦੇ ਦੇਣਾ, ਕੀ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਕੀ ਦੇ ਦੇਣਾ। ਚਲ ਯਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਜ਼ੀ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ, ਚਲ ਯਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਜ਼ੀ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ। ਇਸ ਸਾਹ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਇਤਬਾਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਸ ਸਾਹ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਇਤਬਾਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ। Thank you everyone for listening me. Stay blessed, happy and healthy. May Allah bless us all. Bundle of thanks.
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਮੁੱਕਣਾ ਮੈਂ